Hey there, Escambia County Public Schools. Do you have lots of emails to send? Perhaps some you send regularly. Are you looking for a way to keep those emails from getting lost in the shuffle? Well, have you heard that Gmail features a schedule send option? If not, join me for your tech tip in a flash: how to schedule send in Gmail with your Instructional Technology Professional Learning team. It's so easy. Let's start. Now, once your email is ready to go, if you come down to the bottom, you're going to see a caret next to send. This is where you find more send options. Clicking that caret brings up the schedule send. Once you click that, a new pop-up box is going to appear. It's going to give you suggested dates and times. If none of those work for you, you can pick your own date and time. Clicking that brings up a calendar. It defaults to the date and the current time that you're on. So choose the date that works for you, create your custom time, and then it's as simple as clicking the blue Schedule Send button. Now you're going to notice in the bottom you have a notification that you could undo or view your message here. You're going to see your message sitting in the scheduled inbox. Now it's important for you to know, once you've scheduled an email, you're not able to edit that email. You'll have to unschedule, edit, reschedule. To do that, if you look at the top of your email, you'll see in that right-hand corner that you have the ability to cancel. Clicking that will allow you to edit your email and then reschedule. And now you've scheduled sent in Gmail. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended video here on the side and fill out our content request form so we create videos just for you, because that is a bite of tech.